Designed by Samuel Jackson 1807 to 1876 and built between 1841 to 1845. St. Francis is the oldest Catholic church in Victoria and the first cathedral church of the Catholic Archdiocese of Melbourne. When the Irish Franciscan Fr. Patrick Geoghegan in 1805 to 1864 laid the foundation stone on the 4th of October 1841, he named the church in honor of St. Francis of Assisi, the founder of his order. A small timbered chapel 1839 was located on the site while the present church was being built. St. Francis has a close historical and religious association with St. Mary of the Cross Makalop 1840 to 1909, who was baptized at St. Francis Church in 1842. She later made her first Holy Communion at St. Francis and also received the sacrament of confirmation in this church. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Francis Church is built on the original block of land granted to the Catholic Church after the arrival of Fr. Geoghegan in 1839. This land has also been the historic location of the first Catholic seminary in Victoria 1850 to 1855. The first Australian conference of the Society of St. Vincent de Paul 1854, a pioneer school of the Sisters of Mercy 1873 to 1933, and the first school of the Christian Brothers in Australia 1869 to 1909. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. different times in the past, two Catholic newspapers were located on the St. Francis site, as well as numerous organizations and societies including the Catholic Missions Office, the Catholic Welfare Organization, the Young Christian Workers, and the Catholic Women's Social Guild. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.